The Little Parrot Who Wanted to Speak Like a King. In a big jungle there lived a small green parrot named Pogo. Pogo loved to talk, but he only knew a few words like hello, bye, and thank you. One day he heard a traveler say, "The king's parrot speaks many languages." Pogo's eyes sparkled. "I want to speak like the king's parrot," he said. "I want to learn more English." Pogo flew to his wise friend, Owly the Owl. "Can you teach me English words?" he asked. Owly smiled. "Of course, Pogo. But you must learn one word each day, speak it many times and use it in sentences." Pogo flapped his wings with joy. From that day, Pogo learned a new word every morning. First it was apple, then sky, then friend. First it was hard. Pogo forgot words or mixed them up. "Don't worry," said Owly kindly. "Learning takes time." Pogo kept trying. He spoke to trees, to the river, and even to his own shadow. "Hello, my name is Pogo. I love apples. The sky is blue." Every day his English got a little better. Soon other animals noticed. "Wow, Pogo, you're speaking so well," said Bunny. "Teach us too." Pogo was surprised but happy. He started a small forest class under the big tree. Each day he taught one word to his friends. "Today's word is happy," he said. "I am happy to learn English." Everyone repeated together. One day, a royal messenger came from the palace. "The king is looking for a talking parrot," he said. Pogo's heart jumped. "I want to try." At the palace, Pogo stood on a golden perch. The king smiled and asked, "What is your name?" Pogo stood tall and said, "My name is Pogo. I love to learn. I teach English to my forest friends. Learning is fun." The king clapped. "You are not only smart, you are kind. You shall be our royal teacher parrot." Pogo didn't just become the palace parrot. He became a teacher. He helped other parrots and even the little prince learn English in a fun way. And every night he told them, "Learn one word, speak it, use it. That's how we grow." Moral of the story: learning something new takes time. If you practice daily and help others, you will become better every day.